Alright, this is the first time going live on this channel. Who knows what's going to happen? Stupid game. Took an hour to start, so we'll see how that goes. It wasn't an hour. It definitely was not an hour, but... You know. I didn't even open this instance of frickin' OBS before I started streaming. I should have thought of that. Alright. Come on, game. Get with it. It's trying so hard. I'm not going to share any links or anything until it actually figures itself out. Come on. Oh, we got to do that too. That's right. This OBS doesn't have that set up. Man. So much to do. That's an easy one though. We'll just do that. Leave it at default. Should be fine. Just like that. Yeah, now I figure we're probably going to start a new game. Put that there. I'll go ahead and share the link to a couple places just to... I mean, go from 0 viewers to 1 at the very least, you know what I mean? Freaking gotta... This is actually going to be more difficult than I thought it was going to be. I thought. So easy. No difficult. Wrong. I'm on my phone trying to get the link, but it's not logged into that YouTube, and because this YouTube has never been live before, there's obviously there's no links to this YouTube that have been grabbed by any search engines or anything yet. I get it. I get it. Just go to the channel. Oh, you don't want to play that game? Okay. No, you don't want to play that game. Also, the door is closed, and there's a cat trying to get in. There's a cat door, but this particular cat... Well... There we go. Particular cat does not have that figured out. Okay. Actually, I guess there are 2 of the cats don't have cat doors figured out. Wouldn't you know? There's a freaking link. Oh, right here. The normal way, like a normal person. Copy link. Where else do I go for this crap over here? I can't tell if I'm making fun of the music or my cat. I don't. You guys cannot hear the cat. So probably the music. Where's the stupid video chat in this Discord? Content self-promo? That sounds right. Oh, I'm not allowed to post because I'm not a content creator. Okay. I guess we'll just do the main one. Alright, that means we're going to get no viewers. That's cool with me. I already know like what kind of character I'm going to make, because I made one and was testing with it on a different channel. But we'll see. I might change my mind. I want the game to be a little louder too. Also, feels like the freaking VSync is on. I should have like a really nice feeling mouse here. It feels like trash, so I'll have to fix that live on stream. Alright. For that, let's make a character. Let's get somewhere before we go nowhere. God. I almost feel like I just want to use like one of the new Lorerim 3.0 presets. There's got to be some that don't suck. You'd figure. Oh, there's 3? This guy's like a half tree. Nope. Not that guy. Look at him before. Like we have to click on him. A no from me. I could do that. I don't like his eye. People are like obsessed with that heterochromia. Fix that myself. I have to fix that myself. Find the setting to fix it myself. Give him these eyes. Hermes, you made it in? Proud of you. It just feels like... Oh, he's probably doing an expression. Yeah. Where's that? Look at that. Ah. We're good. You smell what the rock is cooking now. Like, I appreciate the effort, but nah. No thanks. What? Gonna yell down there? Gonna yell down there, bud? Oh, we gotta think of a beautiful orcish name. What is a random name? Will it give us orc names? I don't actually have the insert key on this keyboard, so no, we can't do that. All right. Easy enough. Easy enough. All right. Looking that direction just sucked all the time. See, honestly, it feels... So I've got 90 FPS, and it still feels so delayed this way. I don't know what Biggie broke over here for the FPS to go down to friggin' like 24 when you look that direction. Because it didn't do that in 2.2. Not at all. But as soon as we're done creating a character, we're going to have to go back and fix the... I feel like iPresent interval is on somewhere. Like, it feels like that. Freaking VSync crap. Feels so bad. But we'll load in all this other crap first. And then we'll deal with that. I'm not sure what's up with this, though. I'd love to know. I'd love to know. Honestly, it might still be playable. Maybe I'll have to fix it for next stream. Or at least mess with it, try to find it. I thought I did that yesterday, like I was trying to prepare, but clearly it's still trash. So maybe I didn't. Or maybe Skyrim just feels like trash all the time. Now that I'm actually paying attention to how it feels, it's worse. I don't know. Probably not. That's probably not it. All right. Here's our guy. A little wide. Look at him. Obviously a boxing expert. Okay. We got it. We got it, bud.
Approach, my child.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and choose. They always have one picked out, and then I see it, and I'm like, ooh, I should pick a different one. We're gonna do Orcus Stronghold.
Bloodkin, may your axe always strike true.
And the plan is to see how we feel in the moment with our deity, because it'd be fun to do Trinimac and then just kill like you know, humans and stuff. But I'll probably just do Malakath and make it less violent for our first playthrough. All right. Oh gosh, see now that's even worse. I'm definitely gonna have to go fix it. Oh gosh. It's like a second delayed on the mouse. Alright. Nah, I'm not gonna deal with that. No. We're gonna have to check this out. This is supposed to be rendering at 1080, and it just like look at that. We're getting 12. In what world we'd have to be running on like an integrated GPU for that frame rate to be possible? Like what? At 1080 at least. Like this is supposed to be the performance profile, but this is well, that's not performance. But give me a minute. I will figure this out. Probably something in one of these innies. That is very far from... On 2.2, I would have had like at least 60. I don't think I ever dropped below 60 on Lorerim 2.2. So either 3.0 is severely screwed up, which I wouldn't doubt, because I don't think Biggie pays much attention to the performance profile, like whatsoever. Honestly, considering it performed worse than Tempest Maledictum standard profile on performance, and it really doesn't look any better. All right. Let's look for... Go to the SSC display. Now it's going to be in Biggie's, the Indian tweaks. In final is where the real thing is. Check that out real quick. SKSC plugins, SSC display tweak. Did this get reset somehow? Maybe. I don't know why it would have gotten reset, but maybe he's added something like auto resolution now. I didn't see it when I looked though. Our enable vsync is obviously supposed to be false because it's absolute garbage trash. I don't even care if it like crashes the game to have vsync off, which hopefully somebody's fixed by now, because literally game unplayable with vsync. I mean, I could use a controller, I guess, but gross. Gross. All right. Border list, blah, blah, blah. That all looks good. See if that config gets reset somehow. I just want to check to see if he does have auto resolution or something in here now. Auto parallax, auto learn, auto input switch. Huh? I don't see anything crazy. Did I switch this to I could just do monitor capture. Like I don't. Normally, like on Windows, monitor capture sucks. But considering the way this is capturing on Linux, it probably won't make a difference. To be fair. All right, I don't see anything else in here that could be super screwed up. I want to check the actual innies as well, just to see. Maybe get some background music, huh? I'll think about it. I don't want to just put something on and then immediately get a copyright strike on a new channel, because that's never a good thing. So we'll just have to chill for now. Nothing useful in there. I thought about lowering the shadows from 2048 to 1024, but there's honestly no reason I should have to do that on my graphics card. I don't know why this keeps getting reset either. I definitely want it to be that. Resyncs off. There's no other thing in here, yeah? So that one's good. I'm going to boot it up. This is all going to get reset, and I'm going to have to go hunting for what's resetting it. It'll be great. It's going to be so good. All right. The other setting I'm looking for in here. Find it manually. Display. There are resolution settings in this one. Doesn't look like it. Nothing crazy I have to mess with? No. All right, we hope for the best. Well, let's go. I wonder if it's this disk cache enabler. I don't need that for like the setups computer has. I wonder if like forcing it to do redundant caching is actually like having performance on Linux. That'd be interesting. Like a worse version of what's actually built in. Wonder how long it'll take to start. So the old version did take forever to start. This one had been starting quickly, but clearly it's not going to do that now. What? And we should have an autosave after character creation. I don't know if you guys can hear him. What do you want? Food? What is it? You just want to... There's food in the bowl right there, so you just want attention? I'm busy, sir. I have a very busy workday ahead of me. You may jump on the bed and look cute. There you go. Now you're doing it. There will be a webcam in the future, but I have a new couch coming, later this week? Once the couch is in, I'll be able to turn on the webcam. That'll be fine. It's gonna be so weird if you guys can't hear. What? You're just behind me putting your paw out, trying to get attention? Hi. Yes, I know. It's crazy. Another thing I could do if the performance is still going to be trash is we could try to get Bethany working. Which shouldn't be that hard. Might be a little hard, but it shouldn't be that hard. That'd be kind of fun, actually, to do like a little short stream for these like poor performing lists. No offense, Lorerim, you perform fine compared to many things, but for some of these really heavy lists, how to add Bethany and mess with them. on Linux because it is a little more involved than Windows. You don't just like get to add Bethany and tell it to do stuff. You have to you got to add a font package. There's probably more that I'm going to run into that to actually get it to work. You ever just like try to load something and you're just sitting there wondering if it's actually loading? I mean, I know that it is, but is it? Look at it go. Oh, just in time. Right. It actually compiled shaders last launch, so we shouldn't have to do that. It should just basically load in like 10 seconds. It'll show stuff. The first two mods loading. Come on. Stop sniffing my can of nuts. This has been a very interesting stream so far. There we go. It's really struggling, which is okay. It's allowed to. I think in the previous version, this like splash loading screen here had the backgrounds on it, and on 3.0 I haven't had that, which makes me also think my 3.0 list is messed up, but I've done a verify. So maybe I'll do another verify. Because he had those like little loading backgrounds at this part. Where it was just sitting here. Now it's just a black screen. I don't mind if my list is messed up. That'd be more fun. More fun for me. I don't know if people enjoy watching things not work. They might, actually. That might be a whole market. All right. We're basically there. Come on. What's funny is this is on an NVMe and it still takes this long. But I guess it is really normal. It just seems like Tempest, for example, only takes like half the time. And it's also got a ton of mods. I just find interesting that Lorerim takes so long. All right, literally any second now. There we are. All right, let's see what save we got for this guy. Is this just the initial save? Oh, this is definitely lower resolution. I have 160 instead of 90. Okay. Well, we fixed something. Oh, and the mouse feels better. So that silly config there,
Approach, my child.
the
and
SSC
choose where your
display,
new life shall begin.
was our main problem. I really think that's got to be an oversight by BiggieBoss there. Am I starting Cyrodiil? No, I'll just do normal again.
Bloodkin, may your axe always strike true.
Your dog. Well, at least we fixed that. I mean, should be pretty good now. Could be pretty good. I mean, it's still going to be 30 here, but at least it's not 9. You know what? It's interesting because that torch is in the cell. And if you look at the torch, you get, like, really low FPS. If you look at the direction of the torch. I wonder if it's a fire thing. Like, if I just move a little bit away from the fire, does it... No. But if I look the opposite direction? No. So this Orcus Stronghold in general just has really bad performance?
Good to see you.
Yes. I wonder why. Let's see. Can we just do, like... If we just do this... Does that actually make a difference, or is it actually something wrong with... No, so it's not like a normal problem. Getting rid of all the grass made no difference whatsoever. That's weird. Alright, well, we know what we're doing. Oh, I didn't install Requiem. That's my bad. Get that done. That's not going to improve our frame rate. It didn't say done. Oh, shoot. Come on, finish installing so I can level up. There you go. Alright, we need, don't need restoration. Oh, one tab takes me all the way out instead of back to this other menu. Alright, we need, for sure, heavy armor. I may even take 2 in heavy armor just to start. Because we're going to take traits after this, and we're going to lose a lot of stamina regen. I don't think Wayfarer has stamina regen, but I do need a Wayfarer. Stamina regen in here for fun? Yeah. Allies, but not the player. I don't know. Like, I feel like in Lorerim, you almost have to get a follower in the beginning. But maybe later on, we'll go Lone Wolf. I'm not confident in any of those decisions. Let's see. Nest, Speech, Alchemy. I guess I'll just go two-handed. Make sure we can do some damage right off the bat. We just have to find a two-handed weapon now. Why is the frame rate here so bad, though? Okay, do I even have... I might need to switch to my other keyboard just so I can open up all these menus. What menu is this? Why is it way over there? Come here. That's not helpful. I don't think I have a home key or an end key. Because we could try turning off complex materials. Oh gosh, our frame rate like doubled. Here we go. Now we're at 40. Just looking towards all this grass. So I don't know what the heck. One of these complex materials is just screwed. We'll go this way, towards the frame rate. I have a weapon at all. I have an axe, okay. Yeah, honestly, that's so bad. Graphics card has 12 gigs of RAM, too. So it's not like a RAM issue. The heck? Oh wait, there was a spot here that had like 70 FPS. Because it should be about 70. That'd be my guess for what I should have here. Well, actually, in this field, I probably have like 140. I think the performance profile is messed up. I bet if we went to normal, I'd have a higher frame rate. Like, I'd almost be willing to bet. Because I should be able to play the ultra profile at this frame rate. That's crazy. I don't like that at all. I actually thought that was going to be fixed. Let's try, I don't know, because there are going to be big portions of the game where this frame rate just makes it impossible to do anything. It really doesn't make a lot of sense to me why. Like, I could go check the FAQs. I don't like that at all. Let's check. I just want to check what my GPU is like even doing. I know it's going to be maxed out. Well, maybe not actually, because it's running so bad. Oh, is it a CPU? No, no. It is pegged. 7700X is pegged at 100% to get 20 frames here at 1080p. So, something is screwed up, because I tell you what, that ain't right. Oh, we're only using, oh yeah, the VRAM, we're using that too. As a matter of fact, we're using 101% of our 12 gigs of VRAM. We like that. More than the GPU has. That doesn't sound like a performance profile to me, if I'm being honest. Oh, there we go. There we go. All of a sudden, after we leave that chunk, we have 100 FPS. And it doesn't look any different. Biggie, you gotta fix that. You gotta fix that one. Let's go back. Is it just fixed now? Did it just stop choking on its own vomit? I think it did. I don't know what to make of that. Maybe the game's doing stuff in the background, even though it says it's not at that point. Did I come from up here? Did I just jump down the mountain? Honestly, I think I did. Alright, we're gonna go back up. I want to see if it's totally fixed now. Should we have just sat still for 20 minutes and let it, I don't know, sing the Star Spangled Banner on its own? Like, I don't know what it was doing. Saluting the flag. I run so fast. I haven't even chosen traits yet. Under magic. Alright. We got plans, boys. Big plans. Big plans. I want to do... Do I really? See, no, last time, when I was testing my character, I did pick this. For one thing, I don't feel like 200 armor rating is that big a deal at the end of the game when you have like 1200. So like what, 1400? Great. But the magic resistance is actually pretty big. Like that. I don't know that I really stand still that often, but maybe I do. When in danger, you think before acting. Wait, that doesn't make sense, does it? Let's read this whole thing. When in danger, you think before acting. When at less than 20% health, you regenerate 0.5 magicka per second and absorb 10% of incoming spells. However, you take 10% more damage when below this threshold. Oh, that's for magic people. Okay, that makes sense. I'm like, wait, why would I want to take more damage when I'm close to dying? Because you're silly. Okay. I want the opposite of gambler. We don't want to rely on crits. We want to rely on just smashing. I mean, that's big smash. Can I find a big smash to use instead of bulwark? Do they have the opposite here? %20 more damage, take 20% less damage. Okay, here we go. That's the opposite of that other one. You move slower. If the moving slower counted as walking, that would be perfect with bulwark, honestly. Be pretty good. That is cool. It's like gimmicky cool though. Not like cool. Alright, it doesn't look like they do have like the opposite of gambler. Unless I just missed it at the very top. No. No, so we're gonna have to go with that. I don't like it. Alright. At least it's like fun. At least it's fun. I just don't like bulwark. That's not even, you have to stand completely still, and then the offset is everything else you do drains more stamina. And that doesn't seem balanced. We'll try. We'll try to make it work. Alright. I think I have that even installed. Oh, Azure writes just like the weather and stuff. Okay. Leave that how it is. We're definitely going to do warrior. And I think lady made the most sense, but I think it was glitched out when combined with the other thing. We're going to choose it anyway. Did that actually fix our performance, though? Just leaving that chunk and coming back? Oh, here it is. We've re-entered the problem area. Oh, but it's dealing with it a little better this time. It's funny, because we did go from 90 to 30. Oh, did it just have again? No, 90 to 30. This is a playable 30. There we go. It's back up to 50. So there's just something nearby here that absolutely is tanking. Hopefully he can track it down. Because this is better. There we go. 52 over here. Very good. Do I have any money? Can I buy like a real weapon? I guess I'm using hammers. Because that's what the giant kin wanted me to do. There's not even a giant kin thing in here. There it is. Blunt. Yeah, I got double bulwark. Heck yeah, baby. Clever names. Okay. Oh, I didn't even check to see if I had money. Well, this is my guy Malakath. Dog. Bless me. Dog. Homie. Brendo. No. Run in place, run in place, run in place, run in place. Alright. I'm not navigating this orc stronghold very well.
I used to wander the corners of Skyrim, but I have a place here, and I wouldn't want to dishonor my...
Come on.
I couldn't. It would dishonor the place the chief has made for me.
Come on.
Yes, but I am honor-bound to stay here.
He's gonna kick my butt. I'm just gonna... I'm
all right, then.
Not gonna deal with that in level 1.
What do you want? There are a few great strongholds worthy to talk about. Dushnik Yal, Morkas Gur, Nozzlebur, and Lagershbur. Fight well.
Alright. There's gonna be somebody who sells smashing weapons for smashing. I hear a blacksmith. Nope, that's a miner. I'm stuck. I'm gonna find him because I'm committed. An orc stronghold without a blacksmith? Insane.
I worked the forge with my mother Garl.
Are you
We
looking
mine
to
our
work?
own ore and
The
share
mines
it.
are
Garl, it's
nearby.
like orcish
You bring me
carol.
ore, I'll give you coin.
Shut your mouth.
Take a look.
Tell me a weapon. Alright, I'm needing a two-handed smash man. That seems to be one. I have 430 and this costs 576. Okay. I don't want that. I don't need these. Nailed it. Take that too. Alright. Hand hammer. That's more expensive than we can afford, that one is. So I guess we just go with steel for now. Better than nothing, that's for sure. Great. Go away, dragons.
Fight well.
Nailed it. Alright, we should actually... What was the biggie hotkey for... No, it's way over there. Crap. You know, that should scale with resolution automatically, I feel like. It can read the ini. Like, he can make a script that reads the ini file and then adjusts the placement based on resolution. And size. He could. I'm just saying. 2 openly readable text files that can be altered by a script. Is it over there, the thing that makes the frame rate bad? Oh gosh. I don't know. Pay no attention to the frame rate behind the curtain. Wolf smash? Be back? The same wolf I killed when I first ran down this path, like 10 minutes ago? Yeah, well, it really chugs through this area for no reason. Look at that. That is... There's some issue. As soon as we pass that, past the threshold down here by the bridge, it'll just shoot up to 90. Better get there quick. Before the game decides it wants to crash or something. Alright, you guys ready? Bonk! Our frame rate's back. Alright. Save ourselves. And get rolling. I need to rest at a fire is what I need to do. Mud crab. Let's make an attempt on its life. Come here, mud crab. Aha! I thought he was going to have the armor rating and all that above the... That's just that. Above the health there. So that you could see what your armor rating was and stuff. Was it K? Not K. H? U? U. What is my armor rating? 1200 already? See, what is the 200? It's a drop in the bucket. It's like not even a valid amount to be concerned about. Unless it's like a logarithmic scale or something weird where 200 makes a big difference even if it's a small number compared to what your current one is. I feel like that's going to be Forsworn and they're just going to kick my butt. Like, I want to go to Markarth. Excuse me? Map? I'm not on the map? Doesn't seem right. I feel like I should be on the map. Where I came from. Huh. Okay. I'm just looking. Visibility on the map would be under what? That's a survival mode thing, right? I don't know that that's supposed to be turned off. I feel like in Lorerim the map is supposed to work. That is weird. I'm gonna have to... That doesn't make sense. I'm gonna die through this camp 100%. Oh yeah. We're out of here. Like... Oh, I know. I turned right somewhere. I was supposed to go to the right. Over here. No? Interesting. I'm supposed to go this way, though. Not even a path there. And yet... I wish I knew where I was on the map. That'd be great. Oh, there we go. I'm back. Okay, so I can go right on that path. Something around here is ruining the frame rate again. I know. Wait, did I start with any food? I didn't pick any of my starting stuff this time. Because that menu didn't even pop up, actually, now that I'm thinking about it. I'm not sure I want to blame that on me. See if the game sorts itself out. I'm gonna give it a minute. I don't think it's gonna. Also, where heck... Okay, this seems to be the right way. It doesn't even look like a path to me. Is there a path under all this grass? Like, even on the map, there's supposed to be a path here somewhere. Oh, there's our frame rate. It's back. 114 now. That is weird. Smash, smash, smash. Is that another Forsworn? Guys, there's no chance I can kill a Forsworn. I'm just trying to get the Markarth. I'll give it a try. Okay, bye. I mean, if I was ever going to kill a Forsworn, that'd be how I'd do it. This feels like that building outside of... Like, I need to go back that way and turn right. That's what it feels like to me. And I'm correct. You know what? If this actually had a path, I'd be able to find my way there. It's covered in grass, so... It hasn't been helpful. I wonder if that's the mistake. This... grass isn't supposed to be literally everywhere, covering everything on the performance profile, and that's where the performance went. No, because I turned off grass. At least I can see the path now. Who would have known there was a path here? I wouldn't have known. Would have had no idea. It's funny that that doesn't actually help the frame rate at all. Also, I don't believe in horses, so they used to a lot of running. Horses are a social construct. So it makes sense that it might be a VRAM thing. I just don't see how the performance profile should fill up 12 gigs. Unless there's a problem. Maybe I should go look at the system requirements real quick. I bet they're going to suggest a lower end GPU than this one. Let's look. Look at the new FAQ and all that real quick. Do it. Let's do it on stream. Where do we want to... Fine. Oh, game, you're gonna play this? You're gonna play this to me, huh? Okay. I think so. Literally not letting me click anything. Here we go. Let's see. That's not a readme. English, English, English. Recommended. Okay, I've got way more than that. Way better than that. Way better than that. Not quite that, but that's okay. I'm playing at 1080 on performance. Yes, and M.2. I was gonna. Let's just see if it says anything about performance. I wouldn't say this is a lighter grass mod, but I don't think he updated this because this still looks like floral, like the one with the extra wildflowers and stuff. All right, let's check the Discord FAQ. Not this one, is it? No, that's just builds. It does have FAQ in it. There is an FAQ in here somewhere. We should just look at the pins or something. You know, I actually want to try. Well, no, because it was doing the same thing off stream, honestly. Right now it's using my my GPU to stream, which is cool and all, but I think the list is using enough that I might want to consider switching that. Something else, but I don't think it'd be using even a gig of VRAM for the stream. So that really wouldn't help. If we're being honest. The tiny non-existent one? Honestly, don't see it. Don't see it. Did Skyrim give up on living? It may have. It's not supposed to be full screen, and it feels like it's full screen. We may have to kill it. It's interesting though how much worse this version runs than the other one. 2.2 ran fine. This ran's like this is like just terrible actually. I can't imagine anything running worse on this computer. You'll probably play like a different list at native 1440 and get better results. Running this at 1080 is like running any other game at 4K. Page file does exist. Don't listen to it. Because it doesn't know. Alright, what else can we do to make this suck less? Like, just absolutely suck less. Let's check. Maybe he accidentally checked some stuff for the performance profiles. Like, just the wrong crap. Okay, reshade is off. Correct. E&B options, optional gameplay. Any of these matter? I want camera noise. I don't even know what that is, but I feel like I want to turn it off. None of that needs to be messed with. And normal profile resources are all checked. The normal Dindalod, it would complain if that wasn't supposed to be on. How about those, though? Like, I feel like this should be off for performance. Freaks floral fields. I might just have to turn it off anyway. All right, where's the Ultra profile resources? Because there is an Ultra profile. Go to normal real quick. Do 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 do. My taskbar down here isn't working now. Like nothing here works. Okay. All the same stuff is checked in normal, but nothing is checked in performance. Kind of annoying. And then if we go to Ultra, normal's unchecked, and It doesn't even have like an ultra like separator. Get down there to up either. Yeah, there's no separator for ultra. Is the list just screwed up? I mean, it could be. I'd believe it. Let's try to fix it. We got time. We're not doing anything. Really don't think I like streaming with this encoder though. Okay, that much. Do I have that open? No, I don't have that open anymore. See how much it uses the graphics card for like doing nothing. I mean, heck, that went up to 6%. Well, I suppose it's at the low performance mode though. Alright, well this runs like trash. Let's go ahead and close it. Oh, I can't click on the desktop either. Lovely. We love that. Okay. Hold. Like, I have a feeling I'm going to have to switch encoders anyway. Because I feel like this one's just causing mischief. I don't like it at all. I mean, I'd start a new save. We haven't really done anything, so. I just want to verify, I guess. No, it's going to give me issues if I verify, so I'll have to overwrite. Because I've changed stuff. And then I'll have to fix the stupid configs again. It's going to be a whole thing. There's no reason for it not to be. Like, I just verified it. Or, just messed with it earlier. Yesterday. It was just being dumb. Three point oh seven's the, he just came out with the one. I swear, he releases one like every 5 seconds. That really doesn't help. Alright. Where are we at? What version? What version? Testing RC2. Giant Kin didn't work. That's true. I know that didn't work. So dumb. Trash. It's trash. Check it. Overwrite it. Get rid of our save if it does. We'll see if it does. He might have marked that as like a spot not to delete on his own, which would be smart actually. Good for him. Good for Biggie. I'm probably gonna have to end the stream here anyway because this is gonna take forever, and then I've got to verify it and make sure, and then blah 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 blah. And I want to switch encoders anyway, so we'll see. We'll see. If I can get it working, we'll do Lorerim. If it continues to be really stupid, like it was doing that off stream too. So I mean, I'm not too concerned, but we might have to stream like Tempest Maledictum or something different until Lorerim 3 is playable. I'll just give it playable because it's not. All right. I mean, it could be my installation. We're checking. Well, we're doing our due diligence, but either way,